Are you thinking about taking an IICRC livestream class but aren't sure if it's right for you? Let's talk about it. Livestream classes are the same classes that you'll take in person with a couple key differences. At LearnToRestore.com, we use Zoom for our classes. The students and instructor are located all over the country or even all over the world. It's the exact same class, material, and certification after the class as you would take in person. You'll receive the same materials that you would in an in-person class, with the difference being that there'll be PDF downloads you'll get in the confirmation email. And of course, our objective at LearnToRestore.com is to teach you the course material. For example, if you take the WRT or Water Restoration Technician course, we want to make sure you understand water damage restoration and psychrometry, the science of drying, and the types of equipment and how to calculate how much is needed. Of course, everything that's on the exam we're going to cover in class, but we're not teaching you the exam, we're teaching you real-world water damage restoration. Our instructors have full studios with all the equipment, big cameras, and lights to make sure you have the best experience in your livestream class. After the livestream class is done, you'll have a 45-day window from the last day of class to take the exam on the IICRC exam portal. And then after you take the class, pass the exam, the IICRC will issue you a certification. And that's the exact same certification you'd have as if you took an in-person class. That about covers it, but if you have any other questions about taking a live stream class, drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them. We're excited to see you in an IICRC class soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe and notification button so you always get notified when we upload a new video.